This month at Gus Revenberg GM in Windsor, we are celebrating the return of our annual Black Friday all-month event with massive discounts and savings in every one of our dealership's departments. If your vehicle needs any maintenance, parts, detailing, or if you are even remotely considering upgrading your current vehicle before the winter, stop everything you're doing and listen to this critical announcement because you could save thousands of dollars. You can take advantage of finance rates as low as 2.99% for up to 72 months on select new truck models, or enjoy attractive low finance rates and exciting low lease rates on approved credit if you prefer an SUV, a crossover, or a car. Eligible COSTCO members receive a $750 bonus on select models, while eligible Canadian Forces, first responders, or professional healthcare workers who qualify get $1,000 off, tax inclusive, on eligible new vehicles. And if you're a student or have graduated within the last 4 years, you could receive up to $750 off. We'll even throw in $1,000 off any new eligible Chevrolet, Buick, or GMC model if you're new to Canada. Imagine, with thousands of dollars in potential savings, you're almost guaranteed to fit your new vehicle perfectly into your budget. Oh, you're looking for an even bigger deal? No problem. We have affordable quality pre-owned models starting at $16,539 from brands like Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, Mazda, and Toyota, just to name a few. And don't worry if you currently own a vehicle, because we want to buy it from you. We have set aside for our Black Friday all-month event a massive $500,000 fund to buy vehicles of all brands and models from vehicle owners in the area, which could allow you to get more for your current car, truck, or SUV than at any other time in the next 6, 12, or even 18 months. Just click the link underneath this video to let us make you an offer before your visit and get your share of the $500,000 we have set aside for the event. And if you prefer to keep your current vehicle and maintain it in tip-top condition, you can prepare it to face the cold winter months ahead with the coolant flush at only $159.95. Change your cabin and air filters and save a whopping 20%, or get $20 off any detailing package and breathe new life inside and outside your vehicle. What are you waiting for? It's Black Friday all month at Gus Revenberg GM, and your chance to save big before we kick off the holidays. Click the link and see you soon at the dealership. Come get your share of the money we have set aside to buy your vehicle and upgrade to the model you want to drive in 2023. Click the link and see you soon at the dealership.